Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 31088, the deep sea creatures from Lego Creator 3-in-1. And today we're building the main model, the shark and crab. 230 pieces, so I expect this to be a fairly decent sized shark. Looks really good. It's nothing like the quality of the shark in the Jaws build, but this one should still look pretty cool. Looking forward to seeing that on my display. I might pair it up with one of my other nautical themed sets that I have here. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the shark, the main build from the Deep Sea Creatures 3-in-1. And I'm going to start with the two mini builds first. First, we have this crab, which is actually the first thing built in the instructions. It's a nice little crab. The arms and claws are posable. They're on ball joints, so you have like some range of motion. And these pieces right here are like the claw pinchers on a crab. Just a nice little crab build, very quick, very easy. Also, we get to build this little buried treasure chest full of just random shiny parts. We got some trans light green, light yellowish dish pieces, pearl gold studs, and goblets. That's a little plant piece to show that it is underwater. Very cool. And then, of course, onto the main part, the shark itself. Like the other builds, there's a little bit of range of motion. You can turn the head back and forth. You can even turn the tail a little bit too. The fins are posable. The tail can move up and down. So there is some posability. The mouth does open, and I gotta say that I like the mouth on this one. This thing is better than like the whale build. It was okay, but this one is much better, much more fierce. I like that in this. It shows the ferocity of the shark. The eyes, really cool technique. You get some Technic pins that go inside this mechanism, not mechanism, but inside this part of the head. And then you stick a light, very light green lightsaber rod through the center of them. And you can actually, if I move my finger, you can actually see the eyes change a little bit here because you can see through it. Light passes through it. And it's really cool. It gives it that very, dead eyes look that sharks have. Very nice. I enjoy this one. My only complaint, I wish they had included some trans clear bricks to put on the bottom so it would look like it's in motion, because when you set this thing down, it doesn't sit quite right. It actually sits at kind of an angle when you put it on a table or a shelf. But if you have any like trans clear bricks or pieces in there that you could stack under the shark to make it look like it's swimming in the ocean, that'd be awesome to do too. I might have to get some of those for mine. And that brings me to the end of this review. Thank you for watching this far. And if you like what you've seen, please like this video and subscribe for more content. And please consider also follow me on my other socials: TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, Blue Sky, and Threads, all of which are linked in the description below this video. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.